Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add music in VN Video Editor app. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, let's start from scratch by creating a new VN project and importing our video to the timeline. Click the speaker icon in order to mute the videos on audio. Click the note icon in order to add a song or any audio or sound to your video. Click on choose next the audio file you want to add to your VN video. You can set a timed fade in and fade out effect for the audio. Let's play it. All done. So pretty straightforward process guys, do possible to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.